Hello everyone, today I will show you an audio-reactive technique, how to take audio input playing on your computer, such as Spotify, SoundCloud, Apple Music, and use it to drive the visuals in touchdesigner. Specifically, I will be covering the operator audio device chop and show you some of the problems when you use the default setting. So first, add a audio device and I already have it. So by default, audio device will take your microphone as the default input. And the problem with this is as I'm start to talking or playing the music, it will take everything as an input. To capture a clean input, which in my case, I want to use Spotify music playing in the background. To do that, we need to use a virtual audio routing driver, a piece of software that allows one app listen to another app's audio. It's not there by default because the security and privacy issues and the apps shouldn't be able to listen to each other. I'll be demonstrating this on Mac using a driver called blackHole. If you're on Windows, you should watch a great tutorial by PJ Visuals that covers the Windows setup. I will link his tutorial down below. So if you're on Windows, just head over there because the Mac is a bit different. Let's get started. The first step to install and set up blackHole. Go to this site, which I will also link down below. It's a donation-based software, so you can contribute or use it for free. Input your email address, you should receive a download link. And once you download it, it will ask you to give the permission to the install because it's third-party software. Once blackHole is installed, the second step is setting up the audio MIDI in your computer. Go to search bar and search MIDI and click audio MIDI setup. And in here, you should already see the blackHole. And you go back to touchdesigner. In the audio device, you should be able to select the blackHole from the audio device. And if you are not seeing it, restart the project file. And in the output here, we select whichever you want the output to be. In this case, will be my MacBook speaker for me. If I'm using headphone, I will select headphone here so I can hear. And I will bring back the music. And now when we play the music again, we should be able to have the clean input only from our Spotify. And let's test. And as I'm speaking, it doesn't impacting the audio input anymore, as you can see. And if we press the space bar, we can stop the music. And I'm still talking, but it doesn't have any overall loudness here. That's it. Hope you find this useful. And if you want this project file, you can find it in my Patreon.